how do we ensure that our education system is such that a country school, quote unquote, country school, is resourced as much as a quote unquote town school, and in terms of technology too, and different approaches to education. How do we ensure that an uptown school and a downtown school are resourced properly so that whatever the output from each of those places is, it's a kind of strong output in terms of student capacity? That has been occupying my mind, because I believe that part of the unevenness that is created in the society is the availability of technical skills as part of the curriculum. I believe every student should interface with some kind of technical class and leave school with technical skills.